Hey everybody, it's me, Myra, at Down Home Money, a simple approach to financial freedom. I hope you're doing well. It's Tuesday, it's my day, and I am excited to bring you a stock that's getting ready to split. And I'm pretty excited about it, and I think you will be too, because guess what? It's a buy. And right now, with everything dropping in price, it's on sale, and I want to share it with you. Okay, so you guys, I talk about this stock all the time. Y'all know I love this company, and I have been a big pusher of the stock, I guess you'd say. But it's just because I think the stock is priced right, and now it's going to be a little more expensive because when you do a reverse stock split, the stock, what happens in a reverse, everybody's used to companies breaking off and giving you stock of a new company or giving you 3 shares for one. This is opposite of that. So they're going to take 4 shares. If you every 4 shares that you have of this company, you are going to get 1 share of the newly formulated stock. So 4 shares equals 1 share. Okay, so I want you to know that. And again, it's a buy. What company am I talking about? I'm talking about NLY. NLY, Annaly Capital Management. A 1-for-4 reverse split is what this is called. 1-for-4. Okay, let me share with you a little bit about the company and why I really like the company. I have over 100,000 invested in this one company, and it's because of the financials. And when I go through all that, you'll understand why I feel good about it, especially right now. There's so many companies that we're struggling trying to see where do we put our money for a sound investment. And I think this company is a great place to put some money for a sound investment. So I have, let's see what I have. I have 15,000 shares. So for my 15,000 shares, if you divide that by 4, let me get the trusted calculator. So I have 15,201 shares right now. And if you divide that by 4, I would have 3,800 shares of the stock once they do the reverse split. So the 15,000 shares would give me 3,800. So let me share with you a little bit about how that's going to work, because I think it's important. You got to do it right and understand it. So the reverse split, it will be effective on the on market close of 9/23. So right in a couple days, right? So today's the 20th. That means that on the close of the market on the 23rd, so you still have time to buy today. Shares are expected to start trading at the post-split basis on September 26th. The Q3 dividend will be 88 cents a share. And this is a quarterly dividend. It pays quarterly, and it will continue doing that. So let's take that 3,800 shares, because now it's gone from being 15,200 shares to 3,800 shares. And let's take that and times it by 0.88. So my dividend for the quarter will be $3,344.22. So that's what excites me about these dividend stocks, is the fact that I am being paid to own these on a monthly or quarterly basis. So that's what the dividend will be paid. And the Q3 dividend of 88 cents a share is adjusted to reflect the reverse split. And it'll be payable on October 31st to stockholders on record on September 30th. So you have to own the stock on September 30th in order to be paid the 88 cents a share. You've got to own the stock to get in the split. The split price will be on a split basis on September 26th. So let me share with you a little bit what Annaly Capital is. So Annaly Capital Management engages in the investment and financing of residential and commercial assets. It operates through the following investment groups: agency, residential credit, commercial credit, middle market lending. The agency group invests in agency mortgage-backed securities. The residential credit group involves non-agency residential mortgage assets with securitized products and whole loan markets. So the commercial real estate group includes commercial mortgage, loan, security, and other commercial real estate debt and equity investments. The middle market lending group provides financing to private equity-backed middle market businesses across capital structures. The company was founded by Michael J. Farrell and Michael A. J. Farrell and Wellington Jamie Denahan Norris on February 18, 1997, and is headquartered in New York, New York. Currently, it is selling in the low six, and what's really cool is with MarketGrader currently rates Annaly Capital Management as a buy based on an overall grade of 87.4 out of 100. This grade is compiled with their 24 fundamental indicators across growth, value, profitability, and cash flow, and it reflects their view on stock investments' merit in the next 18 months. Such a strong grade not only puts the company among the top 0.70%, so on the top less than 1% of companies, and all stocks followed by MarketGrader globally, but also embodies the best attributes of our methodology focused on identifying growth at a reasonable price opportunities in public equities. We have maintained this rating since April 29, 2021, when we upgraded the stock from a sale based on an overall grade of 10.92. Since then, the stock is down 26.56%. Oh, what is it Warren Buffett says? He says, be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. So I'm going to be greedy and keep buying the stock, and I'll show you why. On growth, MarketGrader gave it a B+. On value, MarketGrader gave it an A-. On profitability, A+. On cash flow, an A-. And you see the 87.4 out of 100. I would tell you this is a buy, and that's what we're looking for right now is some stocks that we can put our money in on this dip. They're all being affected by our economy, and I'm trying to buy stocks on the dip that will help me move forward in my dividend portfolio. You guys know I truly believe financial freedom is for everyone. It is not how much money you make. It's how much money you keep and what you do with it. And are you buying assets that throw you off a passive income? Thank you so much. Be sure and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. I'll see you next Tuesday. You know I come to you every week, and we talk about real estate, about the stock market, dividend investing. I'm doing a rehab right now on one of my rental properties. Woo! Man, that's a lot of work. It's so much easier to do passive income streams with the stock market and buying dividend stocks. So I'll see you next week. Always remember that it's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. I will see you then. See you next week. Thank you.